Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Portable Sauna Australia. Number 1. ISIDO Infrared. Experience the ultimate in-home relaxation with this spacious double-steam sauna designed for 2 people. Whether standing or sitting, you and a partner can enjoy the benefits of a full-body sauna thanks to the roomy 72-inch by 50-inch by 36-inch interior and 2 included folding chairs. Equipped with professional-grade red light therapy, the built-in 660nm panel with 160 LEDs targets deep skin layers to support cellular repair, enhance metabolism, and improve overall skin vitality, far surpassing ordinary LED strips. Dual 3L steam pots with 1300 W of combined power deliver rapid heating in just 6 to 10 minutes, reaching up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The 360 degrees steam nozzle ensures even and consistent warmth throughout the tent. Thoughtful design features include a transparent zippered window to let your head out when needed, an internal storage pocket for phones or accessories, and a double zipper for easy entry and exit. Crafted from durable, triple-layer waterproofed cotton, this sauna is built for comfort and energy efficiency. The foldable tent and chair, along with the included remote control, make it easy to set up and maintain, bringing a spa-quality experience into your home without the ongoing costs of a gym membership. Number 2. X-Vcak Relaxation. Enjoy the rejuvenating benefits of a personal steam session from the comfort of your home with this spacious and portable sauna. Designed with an extra-large size of 2.6 feet by 2.6 feet by 5.9 feet, it offers ample space for adults of all sizes to sit or stand comfortably. The included waterproof folding chair adds an extra layer of convenience and relaxation. The high-power steamer heats up quickly, reducing preheat time and allowing for adjustable sessions between 1 to 99 minutes. With 9 temperature settings, it's easy to customize your experience using the built-in controls or the included remote. Safety is a top priority. Anti-dry burning and anti-leakage features ensure peace of mind throughout your session. Smart, user-friendly design includes a transparent zippered window to release your head for fresh air, an internal storage pocket for small essentials like a phone, and double pull zippers for easy access. Lightweight and easy to move, this sauna tent can be set up in your bedroom, bathroom, or living room. Whether you're looking to unwind, detox, or simply enjoy some quiet time, this portable sauna offers a spa-like escape without ever leaving your home. Number 3. X-Vcak Portable. Transform your home into a personal wellness retreat with this spacious double steam sauna. Measuring 71 inches by 49 inches by 36 inches, it comfortably fits 2 people, making it perfect for sharing relaxing moments with a partner, friend, or family member. Whether sitting or standing, you'll enjoy a more comfortable experience with the included pair of folding chairs. Built for convenience, the interior features storage pockets for phones or small essentials, while a transparent zippered window allows you to release your head for fresh air whenever needed. The double pull zipper ensures easy entry and exit. Equipped with 2 high-power steamers, this sauna heats up quickly and maintains a consistent, soothing temperature throughout your session. Enhanced with safety features like anti-dry burning and anti-leakage protection, it provides peace of mind while you unwind. The foldable and lightweight design means you can use it in any room, bedroom, bathroom, or living area, and even take it on the go. Perfect for daily detox, relaxation, or stress relief, this portable sauna saves you the time and expense of visiting a spa, offering a convenient and affordable solution for full-body steam therapy right at home. Number 4. KASUE Layered. Enjoy the benefits of full-body relaxation, detoxification, and stress relief with this advanced portable infrared steam sauna. Designed for convenience and wellness, it promotes improved circulation, clearer skin, and better sleep, all from the comfort of your home. Measuring 34 inches by 34 inches by 71 inches, the spacious interior fits adults of all heights and includes an oversized waterproof folding chair for added comfort. 2 transparent windows create an open, airy feel, while the detachable design allows fresh air circulation. The 360 degrees steam head heats up in just 5 minutes, delivering even warmth throughout the sauna. Constructed from 5 layers of waterproof, heat-insulated material, it retains heat effectively while remaining free of chemical odors. The durable stainless steel frame, reinforced with 19 thickened tubes and support bars, ensures long-term stability and safety during use. With a powerful XL steamer and a user-friendly remote control, you can easily adjust time and temperature for a customized experience. Lightweight and foldable, this sauna is easy to set up in 3 simple steps, and convenient pockets hold your personal items. Whether indoors or outside, this sauna offers a spa-like experience wherever you need it, quickly, safely, and affordably. Number 5. WILLOWYBE Foldable. Elevate your self-care routine with this modern and portable steam sauna, designed for effortless use and total relaxation. With Bluetooth connectivity and app control, you can easily switch between standard and detoxification modes, adjust temperature and time, and monitor real-time settings, all without stepping out of the sauna tent. Featuring a powerful 2.6 L steam pot and 15 temperature levels, it quickly heats up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes, delivering soothing steam through a 360 degrees omnidirectional nozzle for even full-body coverage. The sauna tent is thoughtfully designed for comfort and convenience, including a comfortable chair, machine-washable sweat-absorbing foot pads, and a remote control. Built to accommodate users up to 300 pounds and 70.9 inches tall, it ensures a personalized and comfortable fit. Assembly takes less than a minute, and the foldable design makes storage and cleanup simple. Add essential oils, herbs, or vinegar for a customized spa-like experience that supports detoxification, stress relief, improved circulation, and overall well-being. Whether for daily relaxation or as part of a broader wellness plan, this compact home sauna offers an easy and affordable way to invest in your health, anytime, anywhere. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.